Hi there, here we have the 2017 on a 67 plate Nissan QASHQAI. This is the 1.2 Dig T ACENTA 5-door manual. I'll do a video walking around the car showing you the excellent condition the car is offered in. So starting off with the front, as you can see it does have the xenon headlights. It does also have the front parking sensors, as you can see just down below. No scuffs or scratches on the front bumper. Moving on to the bonnet, as you can see there, nice and clean. So there is no chips, no dents, no scratches. Alloys are nice and clean as well. So as you can see, these are the 19-inch black alloys. And as you can see there, they have not been marked. Just to confirm, it is a one owner from new with full service history. Rushmores have done a full service and a new 12 months MOT will be done at point of sale. So moving on to the back now, as you can see it does also have the reversing parking sensors just there. Usually there would be a few scratches from loading and unloading, but however that is not the case with this car. It is nice and clean. There is no scuffs or scratches on the back of the bumper either. RAC Platinum warranty, as well as the 12 months breakdown cover, so that all comes in with the price of the car. You do also have the option to extend your warranty up to 36 months, so this is something we highly recommend. Obviously when buying a car like this, it is a peace of mind. If you wanted more information about the extended warranty, then no problem at all. Once you come down here, or even over the phone, we can give you more options. Right, so you've seen the excellent condition of the exterior. Let's jump inside the car and show you the interior as well. So starting off with the front passenger door, as you can see it does have the electric windows. Dash is nice and clean, so this is gloss, as you can see just there. So that's all the gloss, and it is in great condition. Usually, you know, I've seen quite a few that are scratched up, however that is not the case. It is nice and fresh. And as you can see, it does also have the ambient lighting. Obviously you can't see it as much now because there is quite a lot of lighting. However, once it gets dark, it is more visible. Seats are nice and clean as well, so we've done a full valet on the vehicle. Right, so at the back it does also have the electric windows. As you can see, once again, back seats are nice and clean as well. There is no marks, no tears on the seats, and it does also have the ISOFIX, so a nice safety point for the children. Right, so let's have a look at the boot space as well. So obviously being a QASHQAI, it does actually have quite a nice boot space, as you can see, decent size space, and it does also have the parcel shelf, which gives you that privacy. Obviously once the boot is closed, no one can see what's inside. Right, so just before we go over to the driver's side and show you all the controls, I'm going to show you the back once again. So as you can see, it does have the electric rear windows, as I mentioned. Obviously no tears on the seats, and it is pet free and smoke free, so there is no odours inside the vehicle. Right, okay, so driver's side door now, as you can see, so this bit is all gloss, and then we have obviously the controls for your electric windows, which are controlled by the driver, and then you have your electric door mirrors as well, which are also folding in, so this button gives it that folding in door mirrors as well. Alright, moving on inside the vehicle, so it does have the trip computer, so the ignition is currently on. The full leather multifunctional steering wheel, as you can see there. Just down below you have your lane assist and then the auto stop start as well. The auto wipers and also auto lights. So let's start off with the screen just there. As you can see, we are currently on the phone. So you can scan devices, as you see there. So what it does is it will find any phones that are inside the vehicle for you to connect with. Pair devices. Once you go down here, I'll see if you've paired your device before. It is saved on the screen, and you just pair it straight away. Let's go on to the radio. Obviously it does have the DAB radio, and then obviously the AM and also the FM as well. And then if we go to media, it does have the aux as well. So the aux input is just where the armrest is, so just underneath. We flick this up, this one as well, we have the USB input, aux, and also the 12 volts. So that's there for the aux. Just down below also we have the climate control and the aircon as well. So it does have the electric handbrake and then also the auto hold, the 6-speed gearbox, and then we have some cup holders just there. As you can see, the ambient lighting, obviously it is more visible, as I say, when it is darker out there. Obviously there's quite a lot of lighting in the showroom, so that's why you can't see the ambient lighting as much. So inside the car it is nice and comfortable. And then as you can see, the auto dimming rear view mirror. Okay, so you've seen the excellent condition of the exterior and interior of the vehicle. If there is any further questions on the car or you need finance arranging, then no problem at all. Once you come down here or even over the phone, we can give you more options. Alright, thanks for watching.